Compost is the foundation of a healthy garden, our black gold. It boosts organic matter, improves soil structure, and introduces beneficial microbes. But relying only on compost is like eating the same meal every day. Good, but not complete. Over time, compost breaks down and nutrients are used up, leaving soil hungry again. True soil health means thinking beyond compost and building a self-sustaining system. Compost is just the first step. It doesn't solve every problem, like water retention in sandy soils or providing all the microbes certain plants need. To create resilient living soil, we need more tools in our kit. Advanced methods work with compost to build a dynamic ecosystem under our feet. This means soil that holds water and nutrients, supports microbes, and resists pests and drought. By adding other elements to our routine, we let the soil do the heavy lifting. The goal, a holistic environment where plants flourish and the soil thrives with less intervention. Compost is just the beginning. Let's see what else your soil needs. Enter biochar, a powerful tool for long-term soil health. Biochar is charcoal made from organic material in low oxygen, creating a porous, carbon-rich structure. Think of it as a permanent home for microbes and a sponge for water and nutrients. But raw biochar can steal nutrients from your soil, so it must be charged first. Mix it into finished compost or soak it in compost tea or fish emulsion to activate it. Once charged, biochar becomes a slow-release reservoir, holding water and nutrients for your plants. It improves water retention, reduces fertilizer runoff, and supports beneficial microbes. This is especially valuable in hot climates or for water conservation. Activated biochar boosts soil life and plant resilience. It's a long-lasting upgrade for your garden's ecosystem. Combine it with compost for a powerful living soil foundation. Sometimes your garden needs a quick nutritional boost. This is where fermented inputs shine. Fermented plant juice and fish amino acid are potent, microbe-rich liquid fertilizers. Made by fermenting plants or fish with sugar, these inputs break nutrients down into forms plants can use instantly. They're easy and cheap to make at home. Just chop, mix with sugar, and let ferment. After a week, you have a concentrated tonic full of nutrients and beneficial microbes. Apply as a foliar spray or soil drench for immediate results, great for seedlings or stressed plants. These ferments also inoculate soil and leaves, outcompeting pathogens and boosting plant health. Fermentation harnesses nature's own nutrient cycle in a jar. Used alongside compost and biochar, fermented inputs create a complete, living nutrition system. Fast-acting, natural, and effective, your plants and soil will thank you. Living roots are the engine of healthy soil. Bare soil is the enemy. Cover crops like clover or buckwheat keep soil covered and alive between main crops. Their roots feed soil microbes with exudates, fueling the soil food web year-round. As roots grow, they create channels for air and water, and when they decompose, they add deep organic matter. Even in containers, living mulches like white clover work wonders. Mycorrhizal fungi form symbiotic networks with plant roots, extending their reach for water and nutrients. In return, plants feed fungi sugars from photosynthesis. To support this network, avoid tilling, keep soil covered, and use gentle fertilizers. Combine compost, charged biochar, fermented inputs, and living roots for a thriving, resilient soil ecosystem. This integrated approach transforms your garden into a self-sustaining powerhouse. Healthy soil means healthy plants, year after year. Build your soil, and your garden will flourish.